You know, people keep saying the future is arriving. Let's be real, it's already here. Welcome to this explainer. Today we're unpacking a massive shift in education and empowerment, the Polytech AI Professional Training Program. This isn't just your standard, everyday curriculum. It is a brilliant blueprint designed to shape the absolute next generation of innovators. We're talking about equipping students to not just navigate an AI-powered world, but to completely thrive in it.
Just feel the energy of what's happening globally right now. Artificial intelligence, it has officially leaped out of the research labs and sci-fi movies. It is the invisible engine that is relentlessly reshaping every major sector of society, driving the global economy as we speak. We are living through a massive, unprecedented technological revolution, and the window to actually participate in it, it's opening up right in front of us.
And this revolution is literally everywhere. It's transforming education with hyper-personalized learning. It's revolutionizing medicine. It's actively saving lives through AI-driven diagnostics. It's completely reinventing engineering with smart design and automation. And in media and business, it's giving creators insanely powerful data analytics. This change is touching every single corner of human innovation. But here is the absolutely critical challenge we have to talk about. Behind every sunrise in emerging markets, there is this vast, untapped potential of Eritrean youth. These students, they are incredibly driven, they're full of raw talent. But the harsh reality is, their access to practical, modern technology education has historically been pretty limited. The world is accelerating at breakneck speed, and these students deserve to be at the helm of that change, not just left in its wake.
So how do we actually bridge that massive gap? Well, on one hand, you have traditional learning. You know the drill: theory-heavy lectures, endless memorization, almost zero real-world application. But then, you have the Polytech AI training approach. We are talking about highly practical, project-based learning using live, cutting-edge AI tools in every single session. It's a curriculum specifically tailor-made for Eritrean students who have massive global career ambitions.
Which brings us right to the absolute core of the program: empowering students with practical AI knowledge, creativity, and confidence. It's fascinating, really, because this isn't just some polite mission statement you stick on a wall. It's a literal blueprint for transformation. It's about taking all that raw talent and forging it with the hardcore, hands-on experience required to actively shape the future economy.
Let's actually dive into the arsenal here. What's so incredible is the hands-on reality of this training. Students aren't just sitting there reading dusty textbooks about AI. They're getting guided, real-time experience with the exact same platforms shaping today's professional landscape worldwide. They're mastering large language models. They're using ChatGPT, Claude, and elite tools for advanced coding, high-level research, and professional-grade communication.
And the curriculum goes way beyond just text and code. We're talking smart content creation. In the modern professional world, content is basically currency. Imagine generating stunning, professional-grade visuals, logos, and high-tech illustrations using generative AI like Midjourney, DALL-E, and Adobe Firefly. Students are building this versatile, AI-assisted creative skill set that global employers are actively hunting for right now.
Because look, for far too long, the narrative for so many emerging markets has just been this: passive consumer. You know, just sitting back, taking in what the rest of the world builds and buying what others create.
But that outdated model, it ends right now. Enter the active creator. This is the explosive transformation at the very heart of Polytech. It is absolutely incredible to see how a whole generation of Eritrean students can stop being passive consumers and start being active creators. They are designing the solutions. They are building the technology. They are stepping up to steer their country's digital and economic future. Let's look at the undeniable power of this new productivity. 10 times faster output. By mastering these AI-assisted workflows, professionals can produce high-level work up to 10 times faster than traditional manual methods. Think about that. It's essentially a digital exoskeleton for the human mind.
And how about 40% of time saved? The hard data actually shows that modern knowledge workers save an average of 40% of their working hours simply by intelligently integrating these AI platforms into their daily routines. That is a massive game changer.
Plus, 3 times more ideas generated. By using AI not as a crutch, but as this hyper-advanced brainstorming partner, these students aren't just working faster. They are unlocking profound levels of creativity, consistently generating triple the amount of original ideas to solve incredibly complex problems. So, what's the key that unlocks all this incredible power? It's prompt engineering. Honestly, this is arguably the single most valuable skill in the modern era. It's the superpower of giving AI systems perfectly clear, precise instructions, and it breaks down into 4 tactical steps. First, understand how AI processes language. Second, write effective prompts by mastering the context. Third, refine and iterate systematically. And finally, apply this across all professional domains. This is literally how you command the machine.
And this seamlessly brings us to where all that directed power actually goes. They aren't just doing hypothetical classroom exercises. They are building real, tangible solutions. Graduates take this newly forged AI-powered thinking and apply it to tackle massive, meaningful challenges in health, agriculture, education, and commerce. They're designing polished dashboards that genuinely move the needle for their industries.
Because Polytech fundamentally gets it. Learning by doing is everything. It's this relentless professional cycle. Brief, build, present, reflect. You get a project brief, you build a practical AI solution. You present it professionally, and then you deeply reflect on how to improve. Every single simulation builds a world-class, undeniable portfolio.
Now, obviously, as this incredible technological power grows, so does the profound responsibility of those who wield it. A serious, non-negotiable pillar of this program is ethical and responsible leadership. They don't just train highly competent users, they train deeply ethical practitioners, people who learn how to spot AI bias, how to navigate intellectual property, and who know exactly when human empathy absolutely must override a machine's recommendation. These are the kinds of leaders the world can actually trust.
Which leaves us with one final, ultimate question. The future is no longer some distant, abstract concept. It is hurtling toward us right this second. So will you passively watch the future happen to you, or will you step up and build it? This program is handing a generation the most powerful tools in human history. What they and what you choose to create next is entirely up to you. Thank you for joining me on this explainer, and definitely stay immensely curious about the future you are going to build.